Moenie dat die kinders jou bang maak om te sê, ma, is dit nou weer mince vanaand nie? This mince is different. You are going to give them their spinach at the same time. Put a little bit of bicarb of soda. The reason for the bicarbonate of soda is that it helps the spinach leaves to keep its green color. We pour boiling water over. In this mince mixture, so unpeeled but scrubbed potato, there's onion, and then we've added a bit of our tomato pesto. We've seasoned it, the onions especially with green onion seasoning. We've added pepper by using this garlic pepper. Now, just to make the mince beefier, we added a little bit of this beef-flavored stock. We want to find the best one to put at the base of the dish. Where are you, baby? I chose you especially for your looks. That's it. You see what a nice thing it is to cook. Some people say they can't stand it. I couldn't stand not cooking. Take your best spinach leaf. Kom skat. Then we put the mince mixture in there, push it in quite firmly. Now fold the leaves back onto the mince mix, and the remaining leaves we put over the top. Is there anything better than butter? Now this you can prepare the day before or freeze it if you like. It goes into the oven to be baked. Here we are, our baby ready baked. Your serving platter goes on top of the pie. Turn it upside down. Are you ready? Wow, we'll cut it like a cake. Some nice bread. Dinner's ready, sweetheart.